Hello guys, welcome to my new videos. And then I will showing you something that look just good. I will show you a powerful camera. Okay, before that, please like and subscribe. For like and subscribe and more subscribers, just like a millions. And thanks. Then let's go. Let's build it up and go. First thing first. Everything first. First thing first, guys. We need this. So we need something this, and then some button. Not enough more this, and then actually don't forget this. With water, and then we need this or slime. Just wait guys, let's just go sleep. Let's go. Let's just wait until the end. When this justice blue, this is not in gold. Please let me alone. Let me alone. This is my job to help my family. Let's go alone. Let's go to John. Let's go build something I cannot. Let's go let's okay, let's go. Oh no. Oh, no, 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 no. Put it. Put it down here. And then that. So good. Need to put something. Maybe just easier. Just like this. So good. And then we need to make that we are not actually waited. Then, but first we need to put some button. It's like an emergency button here. So that, get your redstone, put just like this here, and stick that. You just push the button and this will work. And the stickers. Then what you done, you need to make something this. And put this. Oops, what happened? Oops. Sorry, okay. Just one. I think it's just going. That down. Go here. And then put it here. That. And hold it down. Push the button. Now let's go get some TNT. Actually, we need some more TNT. Where's TNT? Oh, here. Need some more TNT. 2 TNT. 4 TNT. Wait. 1, 2, 3 actually TNT. 4 TNT. 5 TNT. And 6 TNT. This is only 6. And we need to put all TNT. Just like that. Then put here. And that. Let's go in the other way. And that. Here. Put your video of TNT. See that. Go the other side. Put the TNT again. See that. Put the TNT here. And then just like that. And you're done. You have the TNT cannon, but we need to fix our TNT explosions. Is this TNT explosion so much bigger? Okay. To the point. See? There's explosions. Oh man. See? This is explosions. Now you know how to build a massive TNT in danger. Like this. I'll try it again. Just like that, okay? And just like that. Build the mushroom. There's a big explosion. Now, there is. Okay. Please like this video, put some more subscribers, and ring the bell. And let's go. See you next time.